If you're tired of your PS5 overheating during epic gaming sessions, you're not alone. Here are the 5 best options I found, and one you should definitely avoid. Product number 1, OIVO PS5 Cooling Station. First up is the OIVO PS5 Slim Pro Stand and Cooling Station priced at $51.59. What caught my attention here is its multifunctional design, which not only cools your console but also charges up to 4 devices at once. If you want an all-in-one cooling solution that keeps your gaming setup neat, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The OIVO cooling station features a powerful turbo fan that improves cooling efficiency significantly. It has 3 adjustable fan speeds to suit your gaming needs, which is crucial if you're playing intensive titles that push your console to the limit. The built-in charging ports mean you can charge 2 controllers simultaneously, taking less than 2 hours for a full charge. Plus, it fits all PS5 models, including the latest Slim and Pro versions, making it incredibly versatile. Now, some people complained about the price being a bit high compared to simpler cooling solutions. Here's the thing though, if you want multiple functions in one handy device, the investment pays off. You get efficient cooling, controller charging, and a tidy space all in one. This is perfect for you if you're a hardcore gamer who values both performance and organization in your gaming area. Skip this one if you're looking for a basic fan that just does the cooling without any extra features. For the price, it delivers solid value. Now, if the price was a concern for you, the next one on my list might actually be even better for your budget and needs. Product number 2, Risker PS5 Cooling Station. Next is the Risker PS5 Slim Pro Stand for $50.30. I love that it comes with RGB lights, making it visually appealing while keeping your console cool. If aesthetics paired with functionality is your jam, this could be your go-to. This cooling station is designed specifically for the PS5 and its different models, ensuring a secure fit. It connects seamlessly to your console's USB port and can also draw power from various sources like PCs or wall outlets. This flexibility means you won't have to fuss about power sources during those gaming marathons. The controller charging capability is impressive too, taking about 3.5 hours for the original controller and just 2.5 hours for the Edge version. Plus, it comes with 3 USB ports for added convenience, perfect for connecting other accessories. However, some users mention that assembly can be a bit tricky due to the concealed cables. Here's the thing though, once it's set up, you won't have to deal with it again, and it looks sleek in your setup. A little patience during setup can lead to a much neater space. This is perfect for you if you love a cool-looking setup with functional extras like charging ports. Skip this one if you're not keen on RGB lights or want something that's extremely easy to set up. Overall, it's a solid investment for a well-rounded gaming experience. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who prioritize simplicity and effectiveness. Product number 3, Hecklany's PS5 Cooling Station. Coming in at $48.88 is the Hecklany's PS5 Cooling Station. What really caught my eye is its fast dual controller charger that works in just 3 hours. If you're looking for quick and efficient cooling without breaking the bank, this is worth considering. This cooling station features 3 levels of silent fan speeds, which you can easily adjust based on how intense your gaming session is. This means you can keep your console cool without the annoying noise of a loud fan. The RGB lighting is another fun touch, giving you multiple modes to customize the look of your setup. It holds your PS5, controllers, and even 12 game discs, helping keep your gaming area organized. But some users have mentioned that the RGB lights can be a bit too flashy for their taste. Here's the thing, you can turn them off if you prefer a more subtle look, so it doesn't have to be a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you want a cooling station that balances aesthetics and functionality at a reasonable price. Skip this one if you're looking for something minimalist without any lights or extra features. For the quality, it's a smart buy. Now, if simplicity is what you want, the next one on my list is all about no-frills cooling. Product number 4, NANANINO Cooling Fan. Next up is the NANANINO Ps5 Cooling Fan, priced at just $24.50. Honestly, I was surprised at how effective this little device is for its price. If you want a budget-friendly solution that still gets the job done, this might be your best bet. What's impressive is it has 3 high-speed fans that can push out a solid 4.9 CFM airflow to quickly dissipate heat. This is crucial if you're playing long sessions where overheating can be a risk. The installation is super easy too, just mount it, plug it in, and you're set. Plus, it operates quietly, so you can focus on your gameplay without distractions. However, some users noted that it's not compatible with the PS5 Slim or Pro. Here's the thing, if you own one of those models, you'll have to look elsewhere, but for standard PS5 users, this is a steal. This is perfect for you if you want an affordable, straightforward cooling solution without any frills. Skip this one if you have the Slim or Pro models, as it won't work for you. For the price, you're really getting great value for solid performance. Now, if you're looking for something that combines cooling with a charging solution, the final product hits all those points. Product number 5, vid-Ps5 Ps5 Cooling Station. Finally, we have the vid-Ps5 Ps5 Cooling Station at $37.40. I really like the adjustable fan speeds and RGB lights this one offers. If you're looking for a cooling station that adapts to your needs, this is definitely one to check out. Designed for all PS5 models, this cooling station includes ultra-quiet fans that won't disrupt your gaming experience. The 3 different fan speeds let you choose how much cooling you need based on how intense your gaming is. Plus, it has multiple USB ports for charging your controllers and other accessories, which is super convenient. The intelligent charging protection keeps everything safe during use, which is a great bonus. Some reviews indicate the setup can be slightly complicated due to multiple ports. Here's the thing, once you get it sorted out, the functionality is well worth the initial hassle, especially if you like having everything in one place. This is perfect for you if you want a multifunctional cooling station that also handles charging. Skip this one if you want something plug and play without any setup. Overall, it's a great value for what you get. Now that we've covered all 5 products, let's wrap it up and see which one stands out as the best choice for your needs. So here's a quick recap of what we covered. The OIVO is fantastic for those who want a multifunctional solution, while the Risker is perfect for those who appreciate aesthetics. The Heclanese offers great value at a budget price, and the NANANINO is a solid choice for standard PS5 users. Finally, the vid-Ps5 stands out for its adjustable features. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the OIVO Ps5 Cooling Station because it combines all the features into one neat package. Avoid the NANANINO if you have a Slim or Pro model, as it won't work for you. I've put all the links in the description below, check them out, and let me know in the comments which one you're going with.